Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, if you have any issue of leaking in your basement, of course like basement waterproofing is permanent solution, but if you have to get some temporary fix like so how you can do it, I'm gonna show in this video. Okay, first of all, your basement windows, egress windows, these are the very top source of water getting it. So yesterday whole night it rained, but you see the inside the window, you see the gravel stones, they are completely dry. You know why? Because windows well covered. If you are installing something like this, make sure these are fire compliant. Like this is fire compliant. If my occupants have to go, they can just lift it up and run away, and the slope should go downward. Okay, and these corners, these are also a source of getting water into it. So do it with a proper sealant like polyurethane based. Okay, something so that it expands and contracts with heat temperature, so that it stays on place. Okay, now very important part I'm going to show you. So this is a very important part, like this downspout. You see how long I have extended them to go all the way to the front yard. Okay, so that means all the water is coming way far from your property line, from your foundation, and like significant amount of water I have managed. Just with this downspout pipe itself, I was able to direct significant amount of rainfall, because all the water that is falling on my roof is going away from my foundation. So with these simple tricks itself, it can save you a lot. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.